Okay guys, so I got the heat gun. This thing gets pretty hot. But this is the side that had a big old dent. It was pretty much folded in somewhere around there. You can hardly see it now. So yeah, I can make this bumper work. I'm definitely gonna keep this bumper. I don't see any damage on it that might make me want to change it. So for now, I'm gonna keep this bumper unless something else pops up and makes me want to change it. So right now, I heated that part with the heat gun to see how it's gonna sit on the car. So right now I'm just trying it to see how the bumper's looking. I know this, but I'm trying to focus on the actual bumper. And I think we are good now. Besides all this stuff, but I could easily buff all this stuff out. I'm gonna rehang the lower balance, but before I need to pull this section back with the pull winch. Pull it back this way, just so the trunk could latch. So it's looking better with the bumper. I'm just gonna pull that thing back right now and see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I just installed this back in place. I didn't find the same screws, but I found some that work, so that should hold it in place. So we got that done. This kind of big gap right here. I don't like the way that looks. Let me check on this side. The same thing. So I guess we're good. Okay, so we got that done. And let me continue pulling this thing back. Okay, so now I'm pulling this back to its place. I don't have the pull winch with me right now, so I'm just using one of these straps, and it's working perfectly fine. I don't need that much force to pull it, so that's working perfectly fine. But it's getting there. It's getting there slowly, but it's getting there. I have the pull winch somewhere else. I can't get it at the moment, but so I could either wait for it tomorrow or do something right now, and I don't like standing around when I could probably try something out that might work, and try this out, and this works perfectly. So if it's working, I'm cool with it. Okay guys, so we're at this point now. I installed the rear bumper. It's raining. I'm gonna try and see if I could get rid of those marks just by buffing them out with the polisher. This thing closes. It closes now. I still need to work on it. It's a gap right here, big old gap on both sides. So we're good on that. But I still need to work on the lid. You see the trunk lid still open, and I'm gonna order the tail lights today. The bumper's not completely fasten it down because I might remove it, but it's not that bad. I've done that already. I've been working on it for like less than half a day, so as soon as I get the tail lights, I could get the brake and lamp inspection going. It looks pretty cool, man. I like the way this car looks. I like it. So those are the only places that I'm gonna hit with the polisher. I'm gonna start it off with at 600 RPMs. It's not that fast, and then work my way up. Okay, so I just hit this side. As you can see, I got most of it, if not all. Actually, I did get all of it. You could hardly tell there was something right there. I didn't need to wet sand it. Sometimes you do need to wet sand it, but I didn't at this occasion, so I could live with that. That's perfect, man. I'm gonna hit this side. There, guys, I got both sides now. Clean it with a towel. There we go. See? No wet sanding, just the polisher itself. With the polishing compound that I used on that bumper. Polishing compound, turtle wax. There, it works. Just this stuff and the polisher, and you should be good. Oh, we got some on this side too. See those scratches? I'm gonna get rid of them right now. I hope so. We'll see. Let me see if there's any on this side. Just a couple right there. So I should get rid of those too. Okay, so we got the compound already on it. Let me see if I could do this one-handed. I doubt it, but we'll see. This is at 600 RPM. I'll raise it up to 1400. I'm gonna do it for 1000 RPM. I'm gonna put the phone down because it's too hard for me with one hand. Okay, so there you go. You can still see some of it, a little bit, but nothing compared to what it used to look like. So I say we are good on this side too. We go do the other side. that side. But I am gonna use both of my hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down, guys. See you in a bit. There it is, guys. I'm gonna end up polishing the whole car, but we'll see.